audacious. Now me follow and do one.
Rubber band. Cute. Mama telling me say no go easy, yo. Money matter, you no go easy, yo. Oh, you no go easy, baby. You no go easy, yo. Oh, money matter, you no go easy, yo. Mama telling me say no go easy, yo. Money matter, you no go easy.
I send you up on my package. You already know my percentage. I did tell you, their father, we go finish them. No wala. Just send and come my package and get back to you. Alright.
Noah, see, sit. You know what, I have to go, understand? I have to go. And later I'll go see you now, understand, for your cabin. And me and my brother need to resume it too. You hear me? Smile before me. Oh, it is sweet. Get that. Later.
Alright, I'll see you.
You don't get a problem. Hey, it was sweet. Send me Azza.
Alright.
Take
care.
I'll get something for you. Sweet girl.
Now, how many times I want to tell you, say, if you never connect, no, they carry woman from this house. I put you for house here, maybe they hustle. You just they carry women, they do anyhow you like. And they buy food, they buy fuel, keep you for here. What did they worry you now?
My God, you just shout. See, you know the shout of small beginning. See, that's why the pastor be on HK. Me ain't a guy, me ain't a niggas before now. He hear me.
That one don't matter, but you have your chairman.
No, I don't say my shaman. But no, see, you text me for your cabin. You know man, they comfortable, my guy. And they can't do wise, No, me say, I don't know what I do, my guy. See, I dey press on, also I dey so. Leave my matter for this matter. Don't let me live free life. You don't understand? Because if you text me, if you make me remember, say, you don't know good. You know I tell you, you don't know good. Because when you go down, go there, yes, I know, say, I dey vassal you. I dey give you kabulas. Before you enter, say you want to make money. You don't know. Look, you forget all these things. Now, you don't come for Gaboda. You got billions of naira. Even you have to take 150 million, you don't do anything.
Look, my just tell you so. All those ones, they don't pass. For year where I carry you come hustle, leave woman. The way they be now, I don't already decide to bring new boys come the house, come join you. Because if I live only you for this house, it be like I said you also go dey slow.
Also go slow. So you won't go bring boys. See, I don't understand you. You don't really want to do anything, sir. You don't go follow me, reason now. You don't do your mind, Abi. You don't do your mind. Fire down now. I never see you get HK. Guy. Focus.
It be like say you won't come out this house, Sha. But no worry. Carry all this rubbish where they drink for you, they mad.
Oh boy.
Also.
You want to take my Tony? You dey call my Tony, my guy. Oh boy, see, I'll leave the cabin for you, you rubbish guy. What? See, I'm going to punish you. See, you suffer.
What's you worry on me? You kill my Hazard while I take the pick control from Yankee. Eh? You kill that Hazard, Abi? I dey ask you, you kill my Hazard, you kill my Hazard. It dey sweet you, Abi, as you do this one, it dey sweet you kill my Hazard, Abi?
My real face, the Barack Obama space. My real face, no, my real face, nothing be your face. I dey cafe, I dey like say me I know dey. Like say this is not my real face, oh. Come on, girl. I dey cafe.
Hello, bro, how far? You don't confirm that matter. You don't enter. I did tell you, confirm, bros, confirm. So when you want to send my percentage, come now. I believe. Now, so I believe you, bros. All right. How far you don't collect that Gmail from that woman?
Bros, now wow, the woman never still send down.
You just did they waste data, you dey dull. Collect this thing now.
I still did the wait, sir. She go send them soon.
Just did they waste data. What you call the talk with them since?
And she just a delay.
To fall in love with artists na bad thing. Cause some artists they use girls for practice. Then they practice with girls like gymnastics. So the practice not to say to a cash fish. The only thing we say I never see this kind of life we living before. I got my serious girlfriend but see yet I see the playboy. She tried to console me with all her life I still be playboy. The disgrace when she get for me too big it be like big board. I quickly beg and say remains more. I go soon stocks, I go soon born. I no want transfer her to my boy. I promise to day next to my kids then I burn up my bone. Blood up my blood I go purposely not leave them alone. Who hear this word when not get sent, don't go ever get sent. Cause they say a word is enough for the right. If I rock up in my foot I can't always be right. I leave my fight for Christ to fight like to my polygamous passion.
Fine girls, no young girls, no one let me race. I say, go yeah, mama, go yeah. Fine girls, oh, fine girls, oh. I'm young girls, so I say, go yeah, mama.
They never gonna check us, we go make me cut the one they regret. I took leave for the I be like mirror so I they reflect. They say I not be human because they say me.
Audacious, my man. Welcome, man. Welcome. Guys, welcome. So as we talk now, welcome, man. Welcome to the HQ. The HQ. I be una chairman. Now go dey work under me.
Yes, boss.
Huh? I go teach you now how to fish and I go make money, plenty money. So based on one or two one kind 150 million way EFCC die.
150 ways to do the million. So I tell you about that. This is my life. I tell you.
So based on that matter, I make we just do this small apartment. Just 2 rooms. Sure you get. Not my senior boy, they 1 room. Then I did 1 room. And as soon as I don't come, I could just find anywhere there. Okay. The most important thing I say when I walk.
Seriously. That's what we came to do. We need that money usually. I don't face things for my life. Many things.
I did have PC on another one. Based on the level now, any money we will not collect, I could collect 70%.
As in any money, like anything, 70%.
Any kind of money we will not collect from anybody.
We get down, anything your business. You are the boss.
For us, it's okay. Just show us. Now small.
Okay, now no wahala like that. So as soon as I don't come, so I say we just move around.
Thank you very much.
Another thing, I hope say when I get PC laptop.
Boss, me get, I get.
You know say me and you talk for phone now. Where I could tell you say one before na get. But me, you can't tell me say if you this one person feel bad. You know understand? One person feel bad join. So now I say me get money to buy, he gets. So it can't be like two like that. You tell me say 3 people feel first start to the pair with just to.
I expect money like maybe before the weekend. Once the money comes,
That
I
is-
just want to. I just want to. I don't understand. Make I just.
You don't do, no problem. All of them have to share that one now. No wahala. The way they be before, I be one just come out to go reach one side based on 1 or 2. But when I feel just, make myself relax, now the office be this, when I walk now I don't come. So. Audacious, my man.
This guy my guy before. I'm a guy.
We don't blue.
If I get that kind of
Me. Wait, 150 meters is too much. If I can, bros, if I get 2 million. See, 2 million. I don't buy camera, I buy equipment. I go shoot the sharp thing where we say Nigeria never see before. Now,
I tell you, when I tell you, say, I'm my guy, can it isn't a lie at all.
See, only by the look you go know now. You know, see,
This guy is so crazy. If you know this guy before, you're a woman, you're the way that
Mama tell me say no go easy, oh. Money matter.
too long. I dey give you the gist now. Davido money. The money too long.
Now yeah, who Davido they do? All these guys like credit card men. They bust credit card for UK, America.
If you say me, you check am. If you watch Davido performance and places where he
Bros, nice streets.
There's no right from.
You see, what you sit down there, they do. They press phone and say, do any better thing. They go that side. You come sit down near my laptop. You bring laptop. Sit down. If you like, see the notation and sense when I come. Hey, Anna, touch. Anna, arrange.
They talk to me.
See?
I saw that they talk to me since.
Who carry you come here? You be like say they don't enlighten you now. They don't enlighten you now.
Senior boy, Baba will greet you. That is not thing.
So you know I mean?
That the guy that tell you.
So you know. Some people say they don't tell you how they talk. They okay. Stays. If you make pen again, I'll vanish you. If you make it best. Go boy. I be like say you know we follow the talk with you here. Yeah? Go na come here. When I go and bring una come, no turn as a senior boy in the house.
But it's...
Stays and they talk. And no turn as a senior boy in the house. You just sit down in front of my laptop. What do you want to do? What? You want my man or what? You don't trust?
Never reach like
See,
this.
say, one place you want to change as someone for this place. You won't be so guy, won't be waiting. Won't be to tell so to want to say.
Like your lead will they follow, we don't understand. Just show us the way forward, make we just follow.
No, leave my man to talk. Leave my man to talk.
I'm on relax.
Yes. Sit down. Talk more your father has called the talk anyhow. You know where you did. You see how you did street with this? Eh? You know why? I just say una. Wow. I just say my car will not take on here. And not tinted. Eh? Brother, you proud to talk to me. My brother, you go suffer. You must know you from my you can come, you go suffer. You see where you come. You. Original Joshua Manuel.
Bros, my packaging we did.
Shut up,
This is we won't get money, boss. Don't be all this packaging, leave all this packaging, one house look.
Anything they do now,
Last, I know say family follow you come here. The one is you. You know this. Family follow you Wakara.
Answer this guy. Because of me.
One. Talk more your father house, call the talk anyhow. You know where you did. You don't live, see, you don't leave your papa house. That street you come so. Now escape with this. You don't leave your normal street, your ghetto where you live. Now maybe senior boy for this cabana. In case they don't tell you. So anything when you want to learn, I go teach you. So if you stop on my guy, you go back where you take come. You hear me? Where your laptop?
I tell Chairman say I expect more some kind money,
Tell Chairman.
Before we came, once he enter, I go arrange my picture house.
Who they with laptop? You don't like the way they did.
Papa, I tell her everything and music, you know, say that entertainment carriers can only goes. You understand? But my sister get the way the thing is so for where for come.
Now two musician.
I be movie director.
Movie director. You a producer. Eh? Now don't come me empty hand. Who want video? Who want talk? Where your laptop, musician?
I don't explain to you now. I tell you say two of us will use one and tomorrow now my guy will get this place. And tomorrow he tell me say me go buy laptop.
You see the laptop over there? Avoid that. If you don't avoid that.
I don't touch that laptop.
If you know when you just if you know
Bros,
avoid
this thing, you never look like this now. You know say we never still know everything for there. And you go put us wait, somebody say you go show say just put us, be yourself, just put us, show us through now.
but that tell us that be the senior boy for here, sha.
Yes, now tell us.
So but when I come, this man's down my shit. Now the sound of respect with that, I be disrespect. See, any moral way you carry go for your house, may change from inside where you do so. If
Calm down, which come out be this? Relax now.
oh boy,
Chairman don't tell us that what things with this up.
see man tell something. You see this your body where you get, use that thing also. Use that thing cash work because if you don't cash work for this house, you will suffer. See, you go suffer from my house, you go suffer you. Meanwhile, this house one of this so. No carry woman for your life entire. Woman.
Bros, if for woman matter self, you don't take for me self, you don't reach 3 months where I bought glass self.
You.
But that one
I don't for not you senior.
Guy, they not tell us down there for HQ.
I dey ask make I see what else. Now can't enter street like this now, me understand. I don't for not you senior.
I wish I'm down. We never ask our age to show if you say we play. We don't know our age.
And the sound say you rude well, you rude well. You are you gonna wash clothes? You Kishi, you gonna cook.
Now I hobby be that
Your
now.
hobby.
I cook their egg.
Now this you go rush our day
I
or
go
night.
fry everything, I go confirm.
You hey, look that way the press. But you know the press. You know anything. Nonsense. You gonna wash plates, mop the house. See that man already there. When you first call this cabal, they do things. Today night don't take money. See how you lead him. It's how they talk to you now. If they also you also late.
Bros, you have a pump package for us. No be so. We go take. All of us go take. Now confirm. Me na 20 minutes I want to start. Bros, if I collect, you go know. I go give you.
Put your
say you
laptop.
like.
Put your laptop. You go take. You go take. No moral. No sense. You just waka come here. You buy laptop. Where you? Meanwhile, you don't show them now. You don't show them there.
Chairman tell us say we no get room for here. Say yeah, no just manage. Say only 12 for get room. But that one no be sleep. We go
If I
sleep
see
for here.
any, if you know they clean my room, I sweep my room, no problem. Oh bitch. Now they enjoy you. Drink. Now today we na Christmas. After today, my brother, and washing hands when I go to see. Oh bitch. Now,
Money matter, you know, go easy, yo.
I chop belle foot on the estate I the flex gas. So the women but I almost done my business. Anytime they see me, they I got the beat like saying I be the next. I be the best of my time possessing no blessings. Who not do what don't collect it lessons. I register any baby like Beowulf coming Valex. All of them they battle my kind of best. Because if they know what to me, I go feed too. I be like next. So all the ladies wanna be my lover. Because I get the honor to make all of them comfortable like power. When I begin to transform, they say I become mellow. I'm not for pretend to any gay and they bring out my color. I saw the throw calls, so they give me a round of applause. I saw they talk, say me, I'm not gonna make up for life. So I stand fair to say I like, cause they not be gold. So now they get them and they feel use any hours they like.
Sweet girls, fine girls, both young girls, no one let me race. I say, oh yeah, fine girls, oh, both young girls, oh, both young girls, oh, I say, oh yeah.
To fall in love with artists, not party. Cause some artists they use girls for practice. That the practice with girls like gymnastics. So the tactics start to say to can cash fish. The only thing is say I never see this kind of life we live before. I get my serious girlfriend but see yes I see the playboy. She tried to console me with her life I still be playboy. The disgrace when she get for me to be keep it like big boy. I bring it back and say remains more. I go soon stocks, I go soon born. I know one transfer her to my bone. I promise to be nice to my kids then I burn up my bone. Blood up my blood I go purposely not leave them alone. Who hear this word when not get signed, not go ever get signed. Cause they say a word is enough for the white. If I wrong up in my fault I can always be right. I need my fight for Christ to fight like. So my baby come on passion.
Fine girls, both young girls, no one let me race. I say, oh yeah, fine girls, oh, both young girls, oh, both young girls, oh, I say, oh yeah.
She don't like it. I think we can take that woman.
Yeah. Hold up.
They say you want to tell me something I need to listen to.
What I want to talk to you before, I feel like make me and you go Ghana.
Maybe go
No
Ghana.
go rest, no lights for Nigeria. Nigeria be fucking.
Although I
Like you so cool, that HP in Ghana.
Hey, senior bros, I greet you. Too much, bro. I did. Hey, mama, I be see small chap for kitchen. I don't know whether I can flex am.
I don't get what you dey talk. Charlie, this be HK. You know camp chop. It be also where you camp also. But every time you don't collect CD where before. You never collect dollar every time you dey chop. You make lucky say na Nigerian you people deal. For Ghana, whether you take flight come or you take your get anything you be for Ghana, it be only once when you go chop. You come where you no collect CD, $1 you never collect every time you want chop. That be my food.
But senior bros be sending message. I don't know the time with them.
Charlie, you be fucking.
Yes, quiet.
Boss,
You be okay.
I did well,
This
boss.
one say, you no get sense. A woman they correct you. You never also cash flow. You won't show up every stage. Dodge.
Boss,
Yes.
I greet you, bro.
Hey, dodge. Rubbish. I give you the thing sense and I don't get sense.
This your boy be you be fucking crowd. You know.
If I cash one work when you will pay £1, show up every day.
Guys, there's something I want to reason with you.
Waiting again.
I don't think I can continue. I don't think I can do this anymore.
Prince. Continue what?
I can't continue washing cars, washing plates, and then sleeping on the floor. Just imagine.
But this thing no mean now. This thing no mean anything.
One could kill our spirit for years.
Hey, please, you want to change on.
Bros, I can't continue. You know how I did live before. Just imagine. Senior boy slapped me yesterday.
See, Prince, let me tell you something. Let me tell you one simple truth. There comes a point at every man's life when you have to pay bigger price to get bigger things.
No matter the apple for HK. Me no relate to this because the blessing when change your man.
You know the story.
You na producer. Me na artist too. You na movie director. Why you no want me to be see the we carry us come this Lagos? You know want me to achieve
Prince, let me tell you something. We're all big boys before we came. for many years, but yet we can't even pay big bills. We can't catch big dreams. See, we have to cross this bridge once and for all. Let's do this, man.
That doesn't mean we should turn ourselves to babies now.
You have to pay price to get something.
We continue to sleep on the floor.
That's the price.
That's even if we have chance to sleep. We don't even sleep.
See, Chairman tell us something. He said if you hustle well for 3 months, you go take. Bros, people pay this price for only 3 months. People step up.
Bros, hustle well for 3 months. The punishment don't do too much. The punishment don't do too much. You know my brother now. You know my brother. He get HK for Ghana.
I know everything. I know the look of
I know more than this. Normally, I dey get my funds.
Prince want to keep my spirit or this thing.
I think I really have to go back to my house.
You need to get patient.
I really have to go back to my house, so I can't proceed this. Like seriously.
You want to go back?
I've thought about this.
You want to go back to our house?
Not be say I just dey talk am. I don't dey think am.
See, let me tell you something.
I don't conclude.
Let me tell you something.
This guy
whatever decision you want to take, make sure you think it through.
You got to keep my
Now
spirit.
the best choice as in say I know if we continue this thing again. No, see, senior boy, he dey maltreat. I don't know why I not see him the way I dey see him. Why I not see him the way me dey see him?
Audacious.
Yeah.
You go obtain your laptop tomorrow.
Baba, see, say me half the time. This thing I wish even dey my mind. Say, hands calm. Dey my mind.
I've complained to my brother already. He say make I come. He say make I come. I tell you now, I don't tell why the reason now.
See, man. Well, adult, anybody feel carry cross. But see, if this guy move now, if you don't get PC, I want it myself.
No, that is not saying if I told this matter, say I will use that remaining 25k. You could follow me go now. But the thing be say, Prince, what I will tell you now, what you will do be say, if you come out tomorrow, no will tell and say me. You want to one move, don't behave like that too. No, I say we all. Just as you the call, I like how you the call.
Your call up letter don't come out for new service.
It don't come out now. I get many things to do. Not
just tell us.
Better. Now what I'll tell you. Man, I wish you now well. I wish you now well. Me don't. I quit. I know.
Prince.
You know say. Prince no go fit stay.
I don't know. He just took up.
After you see by your PC tomorrow, so that's how you
know. So I
don't see Prince no go fit stay. Bros, it no easy to say. This is not our decision. Pastor, don't come, man. Let's conquer this.
But you know now, say this thing, you not be waiting in my mind.
It not dey anybody mind. It not dey anybody mind.
You just follow.
You understand? At least for now, we don't get choice.
Hustle go pay me. One day, my hustle go pay me, oh. I don't dey hustle for a long time, but I never get a lot, yo, bye. One day, my hustle go pay me.
What's the money?
Your father, your life, your family, you. That's how it is in the business. You go suffer you. You call SK. You don't carry laptop. 1, you don't fail. 2, 4, you don't follow you come. But that you can't shop our. No, you never want to feed you.
Business come out to follow me.
See.
Why they talk like this?
Let me. If I slap you,
this kind of thing. Why
you the grace. You know what you did? You shop. Shop? Jesus. Oh my. 2 minutes. 1, 2. Oh my, you don't enjoy you. 3. Yeah? For this guy's good.
Shop the food now. What my shop on?
Wait, when you know also?
My phone.
You the crazy at the talk. You the mad. Eh? Wait, this is the thing I want to take money.
This kind of alignment, get you.
If I slap you, they talk alignment. Which alignment? You know also once. You don't have to do the thing and you want to also your life. Go and go to the shop, food with your father. See, oh boy. Also, you go suffer. They tell you, if I say, I don't know. See, you go get sense just now. Imagine.
No one's more than not shop. Choma, you don't shop. I close the thing for the no wash. I carry your roti about family I don't touch. No bitch, man.
So the women must have almost done my business. Anytime they see me, they I got the beat like saying that they be the next. I be the best of my time, possessing of blessings. Who not do what don't collect it less. I register any baby like Pierre Wolf, coming for next. All of them they battle my kind of pecs. Because they know what to me, I go feed do, I be like Mexi. So all the ladies wanna be my lover. Because I get the honor to make all of them comfortable like power. When I begin they transform, they say I be Camelo. I not for pretend to any gay, and they bring up my call. I saw they throw calls, so they give me a round of applause. Right on the talk, say me, I don't wake up for life.
I told you I don't need any distractions.
Baby, I've been in this house for good 2 days, no sex.
Can't you see that I am working?
And so, every day work, you don't even have my time. I'm tired of all this.
Look, just hug the bed and go back to sleep, please.
The world is for girls like gymnastics. So the touch is not to say to get cash fish. The only thing we say, I never see this kind of life we living before.
What's in the apple there? Now my data you dey use watch porn. No bros. Wait, you dey use the data they watch porn.
No bros, now work at it.
No wonder all the data they finish for this house since you know they reach 1 week. Instead una go dey hustle, una dey use and they watch all this nonsense. Data where I put more na dey hustle. Wetin dey happen here now? Eh? No wonder all the soap for bathroom just dey finish before 1 week. 3 days sef soap don finish. Una dey do soapy abi? Dey watch phone, dey do soapy. Na wetin una dey do abi? I no blame una. Na the example wey this senior boy Nat don set for una. Shey you see wetin you don do them now? You don set them along the wrong path. When you go set example make they dey hustle. See wetin you dey show them.
I beg you go. No, they claim me for the matter. I know why they keep quiet for you. Because get well for the come. You don't understand. I don't need to talk. Now you bring the come, no be me. Shebi you know.
You like say you like come out this house this night.
I don't
you dey talk back. You wait. You like say you don't know who chairman be for here again. That senior boy don't enter your head.
Okay now. Pay me pass for here.
No wahala.
Now you know why there's your data the work looking.
No wahala. 1 week una go enter street. 1 week. Make nobody collect here una go enter street. Where are the shots dey? Shey you see the useless example wey I tell you say you dey set. Instead wey go dey here dey hustle, you dey send them go outside go do nonsense.
Bros, excuse me, there is something I want to reason with you. Like, you know I told you about my service. I feel like reasoning with you for a side room.
Which kind of reasoning that is? Come on, talk with you want to talk here.
Bros, you get my service what I prefer tell you about. They don't mobilize me and I would like to know like tomorrow morning. My for people package, prepare go for service.
Service?
Service, you know say I can tell you about it before.
Which service?
Youth service.
Youth service.
Blue film and soap as big as you are.
How can they work with senior? I don't see never.
Oh boy, you see all those things when I teach you so. And because of that, I do now, you know, understand.
Appreciate big time.
As you see you different from the guys, you get mind. The only problem you get, you see, you're a farmer and you go far without cutlass. That'll be a problem.
Me self never like him.
Okay.
The day before, that night before we come HK, then my phone lost for the hotel we lodge.
Yeah, this
Left side, it means to me that I should make it fast before I die. Victim
move it. And you should know now that this is not my real face. So animal calling me like I am Two-Face. So I'm always smiling like I'm doing.
Bosu. So as I tell you, so focus on my brother. You look where from the corner.
I don't decide. For my mind, I don't decide. For this house, so bro, I must take. Honestly, and my money now will take by pens now. You check pens on the market. What is something else? I tell you.
When I do some of you, more.
2 weeks.
What's up? Check for you. Wow. Oh, here comes the man.
You know what? Go to your room.
Okay.
Oh, big boy.
Bosu, Senior Natty. I most respect you, Baba. I greet you. I greet you.
I'm going to respect you more.
But you go see and I go solve for this house. You see and just now. Don't be taking. It's not 20 minutes I want to start post. I beg. I feel updating your system this morning. Make us just.
My sister is for my color.
Don't say that the way I use the state here with a cash on. Make us.
Don't tell me before you did. Now, like, system got my mind, but it's a brain, you understand? Spy pass out the human need to the, you understand? Use them.
Senior Natty, Bosu!
Oh boy.
Bosu himself!
You know what
I say.
I'm not fit my work.
You don't believe me. I don't do that kind of matter. Don't be the teach me work. I won't call the mafia your work. No, no. Impossible. I see you put up everything.
Anybody find me come.
Bros, I beg you. Which language Malaysia they speak?
Na Malay now.
Okay,
Malay,
Malay.
just they ask.
No, I just catch one walk. Malay, let's not from Malaysia. Make it straight.
I'm Malay, talk to her where straight down.
Senior Natty.
Senior.
Hey, big man, how far?
I do, I greet you.
I'm sure I still house there.
Good
boy. How do you go?
Bros, I know I did be now. I can tell her say I get emergency sharp. I have an emergency now. That's a story.
Oh wow. So far I go kill you. Good. The yaya person.
Can we stop me now?
The close. The challenge. You don't obviously you so far. The close. The man. You know the worry is family will follow you. They'll tell you. Jump! Hey! You stubborn. See, you'll go back. If I lie, you are taking it as street, eh? You don't like her. What to? Now your music you move front. You go suffer, my brother. See, your music, you don't get meaning. I don't hear that now. I don't wait to sing of the truth that day. You go suffer. Hey, you fuck up now street in the road. You hear me? When your mates they also they press, you they sleep your life for you.
No, man, I'm telling you,
Shut up, man, don't snap you, victory.
I don't tell you something.
What do we time?
Not for my tell some of it, man.
I go this guy go kill you. What do we time?
Bro, I bet I see you get just now before you come out to go inside. See the laptop tables now. Talk and say you know they fine. Talk on now.
You know they fine. People always stubborn.
No, you know where.
Now get wish.
For real, I swear this guy know the sound.
Oh what?
Senior, I bet you that guy first may relax more. Understand? Not today's sound like.
You go sleep near bridge. Rubbish. Now meet you like this again. You get sense. Oh what?
No, man, I don't carry charger come outside now. Just the laptop. I took it to them. Thank you, boss.
That guy still be using laptop too. So yeah, me. I don't get sense. Can't go. On this day. Oh boy. Ginger, this boy.
Wait. I'm more relaxed. You never put two things. You never eat.
Wait first, so you don't know you don't meet people for this HK. I mean, you don't know say somebody senior you here.
Everywhere.
I don't tell her make rest for your matter. You see the.
Someone they don't say this guy will talk to you like this now. You know everything, but just chill. Calm down.
Because I want to see where you got to know. And this office and somebody.
Okay. This is not my real face. My real face, the Barack Obama space. My real face, no, my real face.
Easy, oh. Money matter, you know go easy, oh. You know go easy, baby. You know go easy, oh. Money matter.
You blessing or free saint, you know they put your eye for things where they happen for this house. You believe say yesterday night that your so-called done a senior boy you call him. He slapped me, oh. Have you waited they happen now? What did they happen? You don't know where you did there. You not be musician they do before. Why you want to change that for me for this house? I don't understand you, guy. I don't understand you.
Wetin dey worry you, audacious? Black say you no know wetin you come here can do. Eh? Na me you come dey vibe for like this. Don't forget say I be your chairman here, man. You come here come hustle. You not even supposed to talk to me, man. Where's your laptop, hustle? That guy na your senior man. Anything wey do you go take am. Ah, how much you don collect since you come? You don collect any money? If you dey find respect, my brother, go make money. Go make money. You dey find respect, you no get money. Wetin dey happen? Abeg, go hustle, go press that laptop wey you come here come press.
The big brain, the millionaire.
Take a fire.
My dude, you can't level past them.
This how we come here today. I no say problem dey, Baba.
Baba, you not boss now. You not boss. But Baba, you know the work when I tell you that time now. That time, so I could package and give you.
I dey tell you.
Okay, don't be like 100 meters like this.
Hey, go.
Baba. Let me come meet you now, boss.
I did tell you.
I come meet you the package work. Big stretcher for me. You know your matter.
Hey, God. Now 200 with a stretcher, I'm go like this. So you everything now. Hey, God. Take a fire. What you stretch? I did tell you. But no forget, you know the way my percentage they go.
No, Baba. Baba, not sure, Baba.
I just want to come down from ground.
No, see. Not confirm, Baba.
Take up for you to like enjoyment, over enjoyment.
But wait, are you saying yes now you 150 meters? What happened now?
You know as they go for the streets now. They don't still collect their own but fish for water. We go still catch and come outside. You know now. We go make the money back just now.
They go on stress 200 like this.
Yes, so I dey tell you.
But wait. Don't they bust my head now so now seafood? Oh, seafood is scatter everywhere.
What is seafood they do?
Oh, seafood is scatter talking like this.
Hey God, oh. Seafood don't scatter everywhere.
And it is nice. If you want to go Istanbul, now seafood you go call. Now big shot as in Estes Burger.
Now you make me go stretch this one go the 200 so now. You know see the way you seafood they run am. Now so we suppose they run am, Baba. My God, you take that fire.
Yeah, audacious, Joe Black. You don't know, go, don't try that. This is not my real face. My real face, the Barack Obama space. My real face. No, my real face. Nothing be your face. I said this is not my real face.
feel like it?
That was good.
So what do you do for a living?
Why? I'm an affiliate marketer.
With all the boys out there. Please, this place looks like niche cake.
If you already know, then why are you still asking?
Calm down. I'm not trying to be a threat to your confidence. I'm asking because I want to hustle.
You want to hustle?
Why are you laughing? I'm serious. I want to hustle. I've been in the streets since the early stage of my life. I'll be paying my bills and that of my family. I want to make money because I have eyes for big things.
If you want to hustle, it's no problem. I mean, I can teach you the work. But you need to come and stay here in the HK with all those boys you talked about outside. And that's something I know you cannot do. You can't stay with those boys.
You don't get it, you don't understand. Even if all the guys in this HK want to sleep with me, I'm ready. That's what I do for a living. I want to make money and give my life a meaning. And I know you can do that for me.
Okay. No problem. If that's what you want.
Thank you.
Money matter, you no go easy, yo. You no go easy, baby. You no go easy, yo. Money matter, you no go easy, yo. One kid they work, bamboo they chop. My hand they work, my belly go chop. Ghana, Malaysia, na money I